Hello everybody. I hope you like the story. Can you see Little Bird? She sat in her nest. Do you think she looks happy? I think she looks happy. I wonder if she's singing a song. Can you hear the birds in my garden? They're singing a song at the moment. Little Bird is sat in her nest. Can you see her nest? I wonder where it is. Do you think it's on a tree? Or maybe in a bush? Maybe on your balcony? I wonder if we'll find out. Look, there it is. There's a nest. It's in a tree. Huh. What's Little Bird looking at? She's looking at a very fierce animal. What is it? Yes, that's right. It's a lion. Can you see his sharp teeth and his long pink tongue? Now we have another animal. What's this animal? A monkey, yes. What's he doing? Is he swinging in the tree? Can you see his long tail? Does Monkey look happy or sad? Monkey looks very happy. I think Little Bird looks a little bit sad. We have another animal now. What's this animal? Yes, it's an elephant. Is it a big animal or a small animal? It's very big. What colour is he? He's grey, isn't he? Can you see his trunk and his tusks and his tail? He's using his trunk to pick up a big log. Now Little Bird is looking at the slithery snake. What's Little Bird feeling now? Is she scared? Is she scared of the snake? Can you see the snake slithering through the grass? What colour is the snake? What's the frog doing? Is he jumping over the log? Can you jump? How many times can you jump? Now Little Bird is looking at the spider. Do you think she likes the spider? Can you see the spider's web? Have you ever seen a spider and its web in your garden? Now look at Little Bird. What's she remembered? She's remembered that she can fly. That makes her very happy. And now she's flying from her nest up, 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 high into the sky. She can see the clouds in the sky above her, and she's very happy, isn't she? Can you remember what colour some of the animals were? Can you remember what colour the elephant was? Have you remembered? Let's have a look. Were you right? It's grey, isn't it? Can you remember what colour the lion was? Let's have a look. Oh, he's brown. What about the monkey? I think the monkey's brown too. Yes, the monkey's brown. Can you remember what colour the snake is? Yes, purple. What about the frog? What colour was the frog? Let's have a look. Yes, you're right, green. And now, what colour was the spider? Can you remember? Blue. That's right, blue. Do you remember the poem that we said about the two little dicky birds? Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall, one called Peter, one called Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. I hope you enjoyed that. See you another time. Bye.